Good morning. My name is Kola Adebisi Bolarinwa, your usual counselor from the studio of Divine Pen Inspirational and Counseling Messages. I welcome you all back to today's edition, and at the same time, I pray that the blessings, mercy of the Almighty God directly from heaven shall be our portion. Today's edition will come up with the topic A Bird in Hand Worth More Than Thousands in the Forest. A bird at hand worth more than thousands in the forest. My brothers and sisters, as they used to say, it's one of the Yoruba adage which says, "Ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ kọ́ lóníṣẹ́." It's those that work fervently are ready to conclude what they have been doing. Like what Abraham Lincoln said, that winners, they will never suspend their quest when they are tired. They suspend their quest when they are done. That is to say, if you are in one position today, you may not be comfortable with the position you are. Trust in your God, believe in yourself. Don't say you are earning a poor salary. Someone else is earning millions of naira where he or she is working. You can't say, maybe tomorrow, someone you are looking up, you may be the one that will eventually employ him or her to your own service. I've given you a story of former president. I've given you the story of the present president of America in the name of Donald Trump. Do you know that he had been hired before by the former world heavyweight champion in the name of Mike Tyson? He hired him as a personal assistant, pay him token amount. Donald Trump concentrated on his work. He did not look up at the status of Mike Tyson. Do you now believe that today Donald Trump is the present American, is the present president of America? My brothers and sisters, viewers and tool, don't say the position you are presently now you are not comfortable with and you have not secured a better position. You are only been looking up. The place you are looking up to, you don't know what is happening there. If you quit and you have not secured another stage, you may lead into trouble. That is why I said a bird in hand worth more than thousands in the forest. Don't quit because of challenges. Don't quit because of remunerations. Many quit because of their emoluments. They ventured ahead, but unfortunately, the position they were high to could not match them. My brothers and sisters, a bird, a bird in hands, worth more than thousands in the forest. The present position you are here today, stay there. If you have not secured a reliable and standard opportunity somewhere else. I've seen a situation of someone said that he did not comfortable with the salary being given to him where he was working as at that time. He wrote a letter of resignation without securing another position. He believed that he would be looking up and down. My brothers and sisters, do you know what eventually happened to him? This man was a general manager at a petrol station. It was a friend of him located at United States of America who gave him a visa that will help him to secure an employment opportunity. He wrote a letter of resignation. He left his position as a general manager in a petrol station and he went to the United States of America. My brothers and sisters, do you know what happened? When he got to the America, the position he was promised has been occupied by someone else. He could not secure the job again. The first month went, the second month went, the third month, it had now got to the half a year, that is 6 months, had passed. He eventually volunteered to get involved in night guide work. After working there for 2 weeks, a gang of armed robbers struck and he was shot at the left leg. When they took him to a nearby hospital, the doctor confirmed that he could not do any operation unless they amputated the leg. The leg was amputated and the man was referred back home. He spent 1 years doing nothing. The person that invited him could not pay for his house rent, for his bill. He was eventually deported back to Nigeria. The man is now at Takubo doing nothing. My brothers and sisters, viewers at home, a bird at hand worth more than thousands in the forest. You are at a particular place of work. You are presently monitoring a project. You are writing an article to be presented. The amount, the emoluments, the remuneration being packaged for you, you are not comfortable with. If you want to quit, look before you leap. Search for better position. If you have not secured another opportunity somewhere else, don't quit because of remuneration, because of obstacles, because of challenges. The present position you are now, you could do what? You could improve yourself. You could breed up. You could be best. Let me tell you the story of one man again. This man is from Russia. He was born in 1932. His name is Russell Brunson. They were about five group of friends. They started as just an entrepreneur, using a single room for their production. Determined. But the other friends, when they realized that the salary was too poor, they decided, they all quit and left him. It remained only him. He did not quit. He continued with his production. He was very focused. At the end of the day, I told you that he was using a single room for his production. The production started to be expanding. It got to the level of getting 2 rooms, 3 rooms, and it started using a whole flat. My brothers and sisters, those that left him, they left him without securing any better position. They were just wandering around. It was this Russell Brunson that eventually employed them because they couldn't secure another place again. My brothers and sisters, a bird in hand worth more than thousands in the forest. A bird in hand worth more than thousands in the forest. Do you know that half a loaf is better than none? Don't quit your place of work without securing a better site. Don't suspend the contract without securing a better one. Don't stop the project just because of remuneration, emoluments. Don't suspend the project. You know you have not secured another one. My brothers and sisters, viewers at home, to be late better than never. To be late better than never. If you are starting very low today, it doesn't mean that you cannot beat those that are ahead of you. If you are crawling in what you are doing today, it doesn't mean you cannot be the best. You have one advantage over others. What is the advantage? Anybody that is doing, anybody that start doing things with little activities, people used to over, people used to they used to underrate them. They forget their sides. They believe they could not make it. But at the end of the day, they rise up and beat others because all eyes are not on them. Look at the story of Russell Brunson. He was able to succeed because people thought he could not make it. Somebody using a single room for the production. Could you also believe that he could make it? Now, if you are building from the grass and you want to build to the level of grace, there are things you must take into consideration. One, you must have proper planning. Anything that you want to do in life, have a proper planning. A project without good planning will eventually fail. Two, you avoid overspending. Know how to manage your capital. Know how to manage your resources. Three, be prayerful. And the last one is don't lose focus. Do not lose focus. Do you remember that Rome was not built in a day? When they started building Kaaba, people couldn't believe it could be big mansion and beautiful like that. A bird at hand worth more than thousands in the forest. What you are doing presently now, manage it properly, build up properly, you could be the best. Remember, half a loaf is better than none, and to be late better than ever. May the blessing of God, His protection, His mercy be upon every one of you. And again, you shall have a proper enjoyment of today. And mind you, let me remember you that our seasonal inspirational books will be published out this month of May. That is volume 1, season 1. So the inspirational, divine prayer inspirational, tonic and messages. So till we meet tomorrow morning by 8:30, good day and bye bye.